Okay, everybody, it's Saturday morning, February 21, 2015. It's 5:45 a.m. in the morning. And I just got up a few minutes ago and want to get a little bit of footage of how this ice situation turned out overnight. You can see everything is still snow covered like it was my last update last night on Friday night. But the ice kind of started sticking and hanging from the power lines. Everything looks like it's turned to rain now, but it's really extremely cold. Ice is falling. Everything is. My apple tree. There's my apple tree. I'll zoom in on it slow as I can, and y'all can see that the ice is really having fun on its own out here. Everything's glazed. You can see I'm out the side of the garage here. Ice is hanging everywhere. Even the love machine is ice covered like it was. And where I usually park back here in the corner of the drive. I've got some big old pine trees back here, but I don't know if this is going to show up because it's still a little bit dark, but some of the big huge limbs in my pine tree is now on the ground. It's split, broke. It's probably going to kill the pine tree, but that's the only worst part. It's a good thing that I've decided not to park under the tree. But anyway, I'm not going to get out and about to try to get any footage of town because it's just way too dangerous. But you can see the power lines are covered. They got icicles hanging off of it. Both of them, all the lines do. It's just a real bad situation out here. Real bad situation. And hopefully this rain today, hopefully the temperatures get warm enough to get everything washed on out of here. Get all this ice and snow and everything washed away, but it's deep. A lot of snow packed down, a lot of ice packed down. Anyway, this is Rob, Middle Tennessee. Saturday morning, February 21, 2015.